Hi guys, and welcome to my channel, Life with Cami. I am a life coach. I am a fitness expert. I am a nutritionist. I'm everything, honey. I help you get your dream vacation in ways that you never would have expected. This video is going to be about three yoga poses for beginners that you can do. And I know what you're thinking, yoga, that sounds hard. You have to be flexible. You don't. These are for beginners. You have to start somewhere, and this is where you can start. Yoga has a lot of benefits, and each of these poses has a benefit. Whether it be flexibility, whether it be balance, whether it be cognition, whether it be emotional, yoga can do a lot more for you than you ever imagined. It's such a healing sport. I don't know if you want to say it's a sport, but it's such a healing thing, or hobby to take up. So I think it's an amazing thing, and everyone should definitely start yoga, to see different benefits. It's amazing what your body can do that you don't know that your body can even do. You'll thank me later. Without further ado, here are the three yoga poses for beginners. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so that you can get videos about updated about future videos about fitness, nutrition, fashion, budgeting for your dream vacation, and all of those wonderful things to help you become the best person that you can be. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your left leg and you're going to place it at a 90-degree angle to your right leg. Your right leg is going to extend in front of you 3 feet in front of your left leg. And that is Warrior Two pose. Make sure that your spine is aligned with your hips. Your arms are straight and you bend the knee towards your foot. Make sure you take 1 to 5 breaths. And that is Warrior Two pose. Okay guys, the second pose is downward facing dog. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna place the palm of your hands onto the mat. It's okay if you bend your knees. You straighten your back. Make sure you don't have an arch in your back. You straighten it as much as you can. You're going to make the letter V with your body. And if you can, gradually place the heels of your feet on the ground. And you can walk yourself back. This is downward facing dog. And our third and last yoga pose is fish pose. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna sit on your bottom and you're going to stretch out your legs. Make a point with your toes like your toes are pointing to something. Stretch out your toes. Stretch out your toes, make them point, and then you are going to sit your bottom on your hands, and then you're going to stretch your back. And try as much as you can to make your head touch the ground. If it does not, that is okay. Eventually you'll be able to make your head touch the ground. So here we go. Like, comment, and subscribe to give me a chance to read your comments and respond, and it also gives me an opportunity to view your channel and your videos and support you as you support me. And you guys, my goal is 1,000 subscribers. So when this video either hits 500 comments or we get 1,000 subscribers, I will do a giveaway for that Juicy Couture fashion outfit so you can be in style. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment below. Which is your favorite yoga pose? If you tried it, which one is the easiest? Was one harder for you? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you, and until the next video, live, love, laugh, and positive vibes. See you in the next video or in your video.